Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how you can change the background color of your PowerPoint slide. So without any delay, let's start. So here is your PowerPoint starting slide. So I want to change the color of this slide. For this I'll have to right click here and select the format background. Once you select the format background, here a tab will open and here you will see the multiple options. So if you want to change the color, you will have to move to this color section. By default it will be selected solid fill. So move to color, and here you can change the color to any color of your choice. So if I select this color, you can see that the color is changing, and I can do this thing in multiple slides. For example, if I add another slide, I can change the color of this slide too. You can see that I am changing the slide of this color to green, and hence you can do this method on any slide. And so that's all. I think you will find this video very helpful, and if you find this video very easy and helpful, so please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you.